Breadwinner ka ba? Kailangan na kailangan mo ng insurance. Let me share with you Family Secure. Ang Family Secure is a regular pay plan kung saan unit link ito. Regular pay meaning magbabayad ka until age 100. Ang maganda pa doon, ang laki-laki na coverage mo kahit nagbabayad ka pa. So parang installment lang. Marami pang mga benefits na pwedeng ilagay itong lahat to. Case of premature death ng breadwinner or ng policy owner, makaka-receive ang family mo ng tinatawag natin na death benefit. Yung death benefit, i-add natin yung account value or yung savings na meron ka sa plan plus the face amount or yung life insurance. Makakuha ka rin ng protection bonus sa plan na to kung nagbabayad ka lagi within the grace period. Ang grace period ni AIA is within 31 days. So for example, ang nakuha mong Family Secure plan ay 2.85 million ng life insurance. Pag nagbabayad ka within the grace period, next year magiging 3.135 million na. Kung sakali man, due to uncertainties in life, nagkaroon ng challenge sa finances, hindi tayo nakapagbayad katulad na to, babalik ulit yung ating coverage sa face amount nung time na kinuha mo yung plan, which is 2.85 million. And then magbayad ulit tayo within the grace period, tataas ulit, may 10%. Pwede rin tayo magkaroon ng guaranteed increase in face amount or tinatawag natin na life insurance for key life events natin up to 5%. Kindly note lang yung mga important guidelines na nandito. So take for example, si client, nagka-baby sila mag-asawa. Nung nag-file tayo ng ganito sa Family Secure Plan mo kay AIA, na-approve tayo ng additional 142,500 without any proof of insurability. So from 2.85 million, naging 2.99 million na. After a year, dahil nagbabayad ka within the grace period na 31 days, may additional ka na 10%, di ba? Katulad ng shinare ko kanina. So next year, magiging 3.29 million ka na. Yung pinakita ko kanina, that's protection bonus plus increase for key life events. Pero if ever man nagkaroon tayo ng challenge para mabayaran yung ating plan within the said grace period, so ito yung example nun, so babalik tayo dun sa normal na life insurance natin or yung face amount plus yung ni-request natin na key life events. Kaya magiging 2.99 million. Pwede rin tayong mag-request ng increase in face amount dito sa Family Secure Plan mo. So for example, yung kaninang mag-asawa, nagkaroon sila ng baby, after a year or two, bumili sila ng sarili ng property. Dahil doon, meron tayong added responsibility dahil magbabayad tayo nung property na possible naka-bank loan. So mangyayari dito, in case something happens sa isa sa mag-asawa, so because of MRI, di ba, mga ganyan, mga other responsibility, kailangan mo ng higher protection. So kaya tayo nagre-request. Up to 150% of the original face amount or life insurance ang pwede sa ating ma-approve for this. For example, 2.85 million yung kanyang life insurance at sa pag-submit natin ng documents sa pagkuha ng property na approve ni AIA is additional 1.425 million yung life insurance. So magiging 4.275 million na. So may note lang dito that this may affect your account value, yung AV na nakalagay. Ito yung savings for your plan. Kung may increase, meron rin tayong decrease. So pwede tayong mag-request nito sa AIA Philippines starting sa year 11. We can request for decrease up to 50% of the original face amount. So bakit ka magpapadecrease? Kasi for example, lahat ng mga kids mo nakagraduate na ng college. So mas kailangan mo na ng more savings kesa more protection. So pag ginawa ito, so na-decrease ni AIA to 1.425 million, tapos meron ka pang protection bonus kasi nagbabayad ka within 31 days grace period, magiging 1.56 million. Meron din tayong option for dial down. So we can request this at age 60 or after 10 years, whichever comes later. Kasi nga by that time, mas kailangan mo na ng more savings to take care of you and enjoy the retirement instead of more protection. So depende to sa'yo kung gusto mo lang i-avail. And then we can decrease for as low as 500% of the basic annual premium. So from 2.85 million, pinababaan mo to 150,000 na lang yung life insurance mo. And then yung conversion niya na amount, magiging part na ng AV or account value mo, savings mo for your retirement. We highly encourage na pag family secure yung plan mo, you can do top up minimum 1,000 pesos. So mapupunta to sa future savings ng plan mo para mas lumaki pa. Kasi pag nag-top up ka, kunyari 35 ka ngayon, at age 65, ito yung amount ng account value mo or AV na 2.2 million. So pag lagi ka nagta-top up, mas malaki pa yung potential, maging 3.1 million. That's 42.7% increase. Meron ring coverage protector ang plan na to on your first 10 years basta nagbabayad tayo within the grace period. Meron lang tayong condition, so dapat kung may top up tayo, tsaka yung regular premium mo, lagi mong binabayaran within the grace period, walang withdrawals, and wala ring request ng face amount. And then, ito yung mga other notes pa. Kasi for example, sa early years of your plan, pwedeng may edad ka na or bata ka pa. So kung ano man yung mangyari sa economy, ito naging negative pa, naging zero, tapos nagkaroon ng account value habang naguhulog ka ng plan. So if something happened to the insured due to premature death, habang nagbabayad siya early years of the plan, tapos naging negative pa nga yung stocks niya, nagkaroon ng shortfall, ibabawas yun sa death benefit niya. So meron pa rin 3 million. Aside from that, pwede ka mag-fund switching. So you have free 4 switches every policy year. 1% of the amount to be switched will be deducted for the 5th transaction onwards. And of course, pwede rin tayong mag-withdraw from our funds kasi nga meron tayong savings portion. So kindly note lang, pag nag-withdraw ka within 10 years, meron tayong corresponding withdrawal charges or surrender charges na tinatawag. Pero if after 10 years ka nag-withdraw, wala na po tayong charges. So, yung value ng savings mo, hindi guaranteed. So, pwede siyang up and down. So, dun siya magdedepende at the time of withdrawal. In this plan, pwede rin tayo magdagdag or mag-attach ng riders. Accident riders, and also yung mga critical illness and waiver of premium. That's it. So, I hope na-share ko yung mga benefits ng Family Secure. Bagay na bagay ito pag breadwinner ka or pag gusto mo ng malaking protection and flexibility with your plan. So, pwede mo rin tong maging future retirement plan. So, para ngayon, mataas yung protection. And then in the future, lower na, more on savings na. So, if you have more questions regarding Family Secure or kung gusto mo mag-avail ng gantong plan, you can send me a message.